When it comes to physical fitness, few names command as much respect and admiration as Mike Tyson. The former heavyweight champion is legendary for his explosive power, unmatched speed, and incredible physical prowess. In this video, we dive into the effectiveness and advantages of incorporating Mike Tyson push-ups into your workout routine, drawing inspiration from the champ himself, developing upper body strength. Mike Tyson push-ups are an intense variation of the traditional movement, designed to strategically target the upper body muscles. Regularly performing this exercise can lead to significant gains in your chest, shoulders, and triceps. These muscles don't just power devastating punches. They're essential for everyday tasks that rely on upper body strength. Enhanced speed and agility. Speed and agility are vital for athletes, especially boxers like Tyson. Integrating Tyson push-ups into your routine can boost your explosive power and quickness. The rapid, forceful push off the ground trains your muscles to generate power efficiently, helping improve your overall speed and agility. Core stability and balance. A strong core is the foundation of athletic movement. Mike Tyson push-ups engage the abdominals, obliques, and lower back to stabilize the body throughout the exercise. By incorporating this variation, you'll strengthen your core, enhance stability, and improve balance, crucial elements for generating power and maintaining control in any athletic endeavor. Mental toughness and discipline. Mike Tyson is known not only for physical dominance, but for his mental toughness and discipline. This exercise tests you physically and mentally. Pushing through the difficulty helps build resilience, discipline, and mental fortitude, qualities that carry over far beyond fitness, efficiency, and time-saving benefits. One of the greatest advantages of Tyson push-ups is their simplicity and efficiency. Unlike many exercises that require equipment or a gym, these push-ups can be done anywhere, at any time. They deliver a comprehensive upper body workout in a short amount of time, perfect for busy schedules or limited access to training facilities. Conclusion: Mike Tyson push-ups offer a powerful, dynamic approach to strength training and overall fitness. Adding this intense variation to your routine can help you build upper body strength, improve speed and agility, boost core stability, and cultivate mental toughness. Start at a level that's right for you, progress gradually, and build your strength and endurance over time. Unleash your inner champion and elevate your fitness journey to new heights with Mike Tyson push-ups. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in another exciting video. Until then, train hard and keep improving yourself.